inside the asylum. Cute jigs.
How am I going to go fast?
We ain't go, man.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Q, and I'm in my big rig. A lot of people always ask me, like, yo, Q, how is it being on the road? Well, guess what? I'm gonna take y'all to the inside of my life and how it is on the road. So if y'all wanna ride with your boy, come on, hop in the big rig. So yeah, we're about to get on the road. I just got a load going to PA, and we got a problem. Here is the problem. Yes, it's slow. Cool, fill it up, Q. Well, look, that might not even help us because if you look down here, we got a daggone leak. This is part of the trucking game, man, that you don't even see. Like, this is what we deal with. Now I gotta figure out, do I want to take it to my shop, call roadside, or what? But we definitely got a leak. Yeah, so we got a leak. I'm about 20, 25 miles away from my shop, so I ain't gonna even call roadside, nothing like that. So I got 2 jugs. I'm gonna fill up with some water because coolant is way too high to be continuously putting coolant in until I get back. So we're walking over here now, see if I can find some water somewhere so we can get back to the shop. And I'm under a load, and I just started my clock. It's crazy. This is what you deal with, man, when you're out on the road. Luckily, I'm close enough to my shop where I can take it in. Hopefully they ain't backed up. So I'm gonna take this trailer back home, drop the trailer, then go to my shop because they don't be having a lot of space like that. So yeah, dead in life, man. That's the part of the game they don't tell you about, man. It comes with a lot of expenses, a lot. But we're gonna make it do what it do. You can't get down when things like this happen. This might be an expensive fix. It might be a cheap fix. We don't know yet, but we'll try to find us some water so we can get back to the shop and figure out how much it's gonna cost us, whether we get this repaired, and take it from there. I don't know if they got water out here on these pumps or not. Sometimes they have water out here on the pumps, but I don't see none. So we're gonna try to go inside and see if we can get some water. I'll be back. So, good news. I made it to the shop. Bad news is I'm under a load and my clock is already started. So we're gonna see how this work out for us, man. Like I said, a situation like this, man, you can't get down, you can't beat yourself up over it because it's part of trucking, man. It's just a matter of how much it's gonna cost me and how much time it's gonna take for them to fix it at this point. But got about 10 minutes before the shop open up. So as soon as I know something, y'all know something. I'll show y'all the repair bill to give y'all an inside look of like how much these repairs be costing. I do have a warranty on the truck. However, it doesn't cover everything. So I'd rather have my mechanic look at it first. Because for one, that was closer than going to international, which I have an international truck. It was quicker for me to get here than get all the way over there and this truck possibly run hot, which it didn't run hot. I filled it up with water and we made it about 30 miles, like 33 miles to get to my shop. So we're gonna see what's going on, man. Hey, it's just a day in the life of trucking, bro. The only thing is, I said, like, I gotta drive 5 hours to drop this load in Pennsylvania. And my clock is ticking, so hopefully it don't take too long. It's funny because I hit up my dispatch and I was like, yo, like, I gotta go to the shop, my truck, leaking coolant or what have you. And this fool gonna tell me, well, ain't you at a pilot? Can't you get in and look at it there? See, this is where you have to make the best decision for your business, okay? My shop, they charge me $120 per hour for labor, which isn't too bad. You go to these pilots, he loves your truck stops, they charge them up to $165, $175. You gotta do what's best for your business, man, because at the end of the day, like, you have to save money and cut costs wherever you can. in this game. If not, you'll go out of business. You'll go out of business, and I ain't gonna be no doggone fool. I'm gonna tell you that right now. We gonna cut costs wherever we can. So yeah, man, it's gonna be a long day, but like I said, I keep y'all posted whenever I get something. Y'all know. I'll be back. All right, folks. So the damage is done. $715. Had to replace my water pump, but it is what it is, man. So look, I only got 7 hours left on my clock for the day with a 5.5 hour drive, so I ain't gonna waste no time. I'll keep y'all posted. I'll be back. All right, guys, so we back at the Pilot. We got our water pump fixed, so we just got to get connected back to this trailer because I just left it here, so it wouldn't be too much in the truck. Going down the road with a leak, I didn't want to overheat. So we'll get back connected real quick. Be on our way. Check up underneath, we good. It's one of the things I do is I get all the way up underneath here and make sure that thing is locked. You gotta put your eyes on the driver. Put your eyes on it. And this is up. We're gonna do a quick walk around real quick just to make sure ain't nothing happened while we was gone. We low on time today, so we gotta keep it moving. Got an ABS light on. What the heck, man? Check our tires. Last thing you want is get a flat tire with this joint. All right, we gotta roll. We got like 6 hours on our clock and 5 hours to drive for today. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. YouTube, we made it, baby. We barely made it, but we made it. After the long day of us being at the shop for 4 hours, you know what I mean? Having to spend $715 to get a water pump done. We made it, baby. We made it! And we got, I don't know if you can see that. But we got 19 minutes left on our clock, and I can't stop it. So, you know what we're gonna do to get to the truck stop. But yeah, I just wanna let y'all know I made it. I'm about to drop this trailer I got now. And then we're gonna move on. Pick up our empty, and it's cool because our empty is like 3 spots down, so we can really get out of here pretty quick. But yeah, it was an eventful day, man. Like, literally my first video I made for YouTube, and it was an eventful day. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. If you do me a favor, man, just like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep these videos going, man. See where we can go with this. It's always something eventful happening out here, man. And to be honest with y'all, like a year ago, I never thought I'd have my own truck. But me and my fiance, we talked. She was like, yo, what you want to do? I said, I'm gonna drive for about a year and get my own truck. And literally a year after I started driving, I got my own truck, man. I say that to say that you put your mind on something, you can do it, man. Just stay motivated, believe in yourself, surround yourself around good people, and anything's possible, man. But it's your boy Q. I'm in my big rig, and I'm out.